Hello friends, welcome again, and this is my new project, spam detection system. And I got the inquiry from many of the students that they need a spam detection system using the machine learning. And this project we developed on the latest technology, and we have used Python 3.10 as well as the UI. We have used Django for developing the UI, and this is the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript based web application. Because mostly if what you get on the internet, right, you get the normal Jupyter notebook files and the CLI version. But if you try to find this type of application, then you will not get, right, because most of the machine learning algorithms or files available on internet provides only the Jupyter files and the CLI files, right? So I tried to develop this type of project where you will be able to interact with user interface, where you will put some of the emails, and after that the system will predict the email is spam or not, right? So this is the home page. This is a static home page, right? I have not added any of the dynamic feature here. And one more thing, I have used MySQL database for storing the history of the email, right? Even for we have the login facility here, right? So once you click on the about, right, you will get this about us page, and this is again a static page. And if you want to change the content, then you can change from the code directly. This is a system information. So here you can see we have used Python 3.10.12, and we have used a scikit-learn, right, for developing the applications, and web framework Django 5, database used MySQL. And you can see all of these requirements, right, which you need for running this project, right? So we will provide you the requirement.txt along with this code, so you can easily install those requirement file. So other technology, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, because this is a web application. This is a login page from where admin can log in, or you can log in. After that you can check the email is spam or not. This is a contact us page. Again, this is a static page. There is nothing dynamic here, so we are not sending a type of email and SMS from this page. This is pure static. So the user ID is admin and the password is test. So once you log in, right, you will get this dashboard here. Right here you can see the menu has changed because it's session driven, right? So if I log out, then the menu is less, menu items are less. But if you log in, there are many of the menu items increased, right? So the menu items which we are showing here is also available here, right? So home, about, dashboard, system information, we have already explained you, right? So check system email. Check email is spam or not, right? Here you will put the email content, and after clicking on this, so scikit will learn uh, will check on the email is spam or not, right? And then here you can see the data set. So this is the data set we have. So we have three features here: serial number, email type, and email content. Ham means this is the normal email, right? There is no spam here, right? This is spam means this is a spam email here, right? Ham means hello, are you? And spam means this is a spam. So we have total now 550 5000 and 5572 emails, right, on which we trained our machine learning model, right? There is a search feature here. If you want to search anything, then you will be able to search. So I wrote only SPA, then it filtered all of the spam emails, right? This is a prediction history. You can see this is all this all are the prediction history, right? What we checked earlier, right? And even you can export it into the CSV email and print, right? So suppose we have mentioned this is a spam on this date, right? We check this email. So this you can see after analyzing this email, we got that the email is spam, right? So all of the emails what you will check will be saved inside the database, and you can check later. So you can see there is a color coding here, right? So this is a green background because this is not a spam. In case of a spam, you will get the red background, right? There is a change password here. From here you will be able to change the account password, right? So suppose I am checking some of the email, right? So this is the file, right? So I have just added downloaded from internet, right? So if there is a word congratulation or this type of words, right, then those mails are spam, right? If I copy it and if I paste here, right, and if I check, okay, analyze, the check is spam. So you are saying, and after analyzing, this is spam, right? But if I normal content uh, like hello Amit, could you please share your resume, right, for job, right? Hello Amit, how are you? um, how are how are you, and could you please share your resume, right? So you can see this is a valid email. After analyzing this email, we got email is not spam, right? Because if the machine gets any type of offer or fraud type of thing, then it detects that this is spam, right? And if it's check that it's legitimate, right, then it will say that it's not an spam. And the whole data set is available here. You can see many of the pages are here. Total 558 pages we have, on which means total this number of records, right? We are showing 10 records per page. So out of these records we trained our model, right? Okay, so this is all what we developed inside this project, right? So these are the technologies we have used for developing it, right? So if I log out, then you can see the session has been destroyed. Now come on the structure, right? So this is the structure, code structure. This asset contain all of the images. You can see some of the images are coming on the website. So this is coming from the assets. This is a data set, right? You can see this is the data set here. What we place inside the data set folder media, if we want to upload anything, then it will be, this is a model, right? So model is doesn't need here, right? So this is a pages. So these are the static pages here, right? So you can see we are fetching the static pages from the templates folder, right? If we talk about the prediction, then this is a prediction logic. You can see here, right? So this all are the prediction logic here, right, from which we are predicting, right? See, many of the codes we have written, this is the footer data set load, this is a pre-processed data train and test model, right? And we are vectorizing, we are using the vectors for storing the transpose and fitting the data, right? And we are uh, predicting using the vectorized method, right? So these all things we have used for developing this project. So if you need extra features, or if you want to change the algorithm, right, inside to predict the spam, to check the spam email, then you can easily do it from this code, right? Like if you want to change it through it to logistic regression or random forest or the linear regression XGBoost, right, SVM. So many of the algorithms are available, right? So you can use those algorithms also, right, in place of the tokenizer what we have utilized here for predicting the email is spam or not, right? You can change there and you can check the accuracy also, right? So these all things we develop inside this project. So if you need more features, more enhancement in this project, just put it into the comments. We will incorporate those changes. We will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.